Engineering. Futuristic Technologies with Stephen the Engineer. Hello and welcome to Engineering. Futuristic Technologies. Today, we're going to be exploring the fascinating world of bioprinting, a technology that has the potential to transform the way we approach tissue engineering and regenerative medicine. Firstly, let's take a brief look at the history of bioprinting. The concept of 3D printing biological materials has been around since the early 2000s, but it wasn't until the development of specialized bioprinters and printable bioinks that bioprinting began to take off. Today, bioprinting has already been used to create tissues such as skin, cartilage, and bone, and there is ongoing research into more complex organs such as liver, heart, and lung. So, what does bioprinting look like today? There are a few different techniques and technologies involved in bioprinting, but all share the goal of creating complex 3D structures using living cells and bioinks. Some popular applications of bioprinting include drug testing and personalized medicine, as well as tissue engineering and regenerative medicine. But what about the potential future of bioprinting? The possibilities are truly mind-boggling. For example, bioprinting could revolutionize the way we approach organ transplantation, by allowing us to create custom organs using a patient's own cells. It could also enable us to create complex tissues for use in research and drug development, reducing the need for animal testing. However, there are also significant challenges to overcome before bioprinting can reach its full potential. One challenge is the need for more advanced bioinks and materials, in order to create more complex and functional tissues. Another challenge is the need for more precise control over the printing process, in order to create structures with the correct size, shape, and cellular composition. And that's it for our exploration of bioprinting. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other episodes of Engineering, Futuristic Technologies for more exciting innovations in the world of engineering.